Hello my friends, we are going to do a review about the Takara Tomy fish market set. First I'm going to show you this one, also with a fish. So let's open it up. I really like it that Tomica makes stuff like this with an animal in the back. Great fish tank. This is a whale shark, I believe. And it looks super cool. Not sure what the skill is. Maybe we can see it here on the base. Let's make some light. Made in Vietnam, Nissan, Tomica 2006 Tomy. Nope, can't find the skill. Maybe you guys can leave a message in the comment if you know the skill. What can I say about the interior? Well, there is no interior, so there's not much to say about it. But still, I like it a lot. And yes, the reason I bought it is because of this whale shark. Super cool. Okay, let's put it right here. And let's open up the fish market set. Everything is fresh in the box. Go. Piece of plastic here. Oh, let's take a look at the back. I know some of you are interested in the barcode and article number, and if you want to read the text, freeze the image so you can read it. Same for this side. You see we got 3 items. So let's see how they look. We got one here. Also a truck with a fish. Let's start with this one. I think it's the same truck as the one with the whale shark. This is with a tuna. Okay, let's take a look around. I think, yep, no interior, but that doesn't bother me that much. The fish in the back is what makes this truck so cool. Wheels are rolling really well, and let's check it out. Yep. Made in Vietnam, Nissan. Can't find any skill, so these are basically the same castings. Different color and different fish. Let's put them right here. Okay, now let's take a look at this one over here. Nice painting here on the side. Got lanced headlights. Here we do have an interior. Same wheels as the ones on the truck. And it rolls really well. Here we got something that probably must looks like a fish with some eyes around, I guess. Can you take this off? No, that is not possible. I'm going to take a look at the base. Plastic, Takara Tomy, Toyota, Town Age, made in Vietnam, 2009. Okay, so we're gonna put that one right here. And the last one. This is a steering wheel, some sort of electric train to transport boxes with fish, and here we have an actual tuna. Is it the same as the one in the truck? No, the one in the truck is bigger. We got the same boxes as on the Toyota, with a different color, different fish. Can't take the boxes off, that's not possible. Plastic wheels, but they roll really good. Here we can take a look at the base. Made in Vietnam. And you see the connection between the train and don't think it's possible to disconnect. No, that is not possible. Or is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Voila. You can even make the train longer if you want. That is pretty cool. I like this. So, there we have it. Fish market. That looks pretty cool, right? Very nice diorama. Got the Hot Wheels vending machine there in the back. Coca-Cola and the Monster. Some figures from American Diorama in 1/64. Figures are die cast. And this diorama comes with the tree, the couch, the park bench over there, and the garbage can, and this Coca-Cola vending machine. So you get a lot of accessories with this diorama, so that is pretty cool. Did a review about it, you can find it on my channel. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram. Have a nice day, and I'll see you later. Bye.